this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple waypoint hack that lets you create multiple cinematic shots from a single mission. No extra planning, no new waypoints, just one setup used in smarter ways. If you're completely new to waypoints, I've linked a short setup tutorial in the description. I have used St. Andrew by the Ford Church to demonstrate the hack. Here is the church with a small spire at one end. Set waypoint 1 and 2 and the point of interest over the spire. Set the point of interest over the spire with the altitude set just below it, around 6 meters in this case. The drone will approach the spire, tilt the gimbal down and rotate above it, then reverse away. Here's the result. Drag waypoints 1 and 2 to one side of the church, leaving the point of interest untouched. This time the drone will slide in a straight line past the church whilst always pointing at the spire. Here's the result again. Drag waypoints 1 and 2 further away from the church, in this instance to behind the trees, ensuring the altitude is high enough to avoid any obstacles. In this mission, the church will be revealed as the drone slides past the first tree. Same mission, same point of interest, just moved further back. If you'd like a simple reference for this, I've put together a short PDF with diagrams showing all 3 moves. The link's in the description below, and if you found this useful, consider subscribing. I've got more short practical waypoint tutorials coming very soon.